Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are covering minor arpeggios. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on the I button. Now let's start music theory. So our today topic is minor arpeggios. So friends, my arpeggios you have learned in grade 1 also. It's just that there you have learned in the major scale and right now you're learning in the minor. Everything is same, there is no changes into it. Okay, so don't think there will be anything different in making the arpeggios in minor scale or in the major scale. It is the same. It's just this is in the minor scale and those were in the major scale. For right now, just this much is enough for you to know. So straight away I will not these things you can read on your own. There's nothing much in this one, so it is the same as you have read in the grade 1. So we'll straight away go to the exercise into this. So as we move further, you see, write the key signature and tonic triad for each key shown, then write its one octave arpeggio in crotchet. So we have to make the arpeggio as a crotchet note. So we'll start first making the key signature and then the tonic triad, then the arpeggios. So the first is tonic triad in the key of D minor. So D minor we know is a relative of F major. So the key signature is B flat. So B, this is bass clef. So G, B, this is the key signature. Now the tonic triad we make is D minor. So this is, we have, start from, this is G, this is G, B and D. So this is the tonic triad. Okay, now we have to make the arpeggio going up and then down. So what we have to make, first we have to make the key signature. So the key signature is B flat. Now we'll make the arpeggio, that is first degree, third degree, fifth degree, and then sixth, 7 and 8. Okay, and then we come down, same way we come down. Okay, now we have to make them as a crotchet. If we remember, this should be a crotchet one. So we use it, make it down, this also down, here, D, here. Okay, so this note is slightly, I made it slightly bigger, so make sure you make it nicely. Let me bring it down. Okay, now the next one we have is A minor. So let's make the A minor, does not have any key signature. The tonic triad we make is, this is treble clef, so A, B, C, D and E. So this is the tonic triad. Now we have to make one octave arpeggio going down and then up. So going down, so we'll find out here first. Treble clef, this is F, G and A. So we make a note, then we make here third, fifth, and let's go here. Okay, so this is our, so we'll make them crotchet. This is A, so A to A, this is E, E, this is down, this goes up, this goes down, down and down. Okay, so here we finish this one. Now we have the last one. The last one is the E minor. So E minor is a relative of G major. That means F sharp is the key signature. So here we go with F sharp, and then we start with here E. So we can make E from here, or we can take it from here. Let's take it from here. We make it E, G and B. Okay, This is the tonic triad. Now let's make the 1 octave arpeggio going up and then down. So we have to go up first. First we make the key signature. Now let's go up. We start from here. E, F, G, A, B, and then E, coming down, down, and down. Let's make them crochet. This is E, E. This goes down, goes up. Last one is E. Okay, so here we finish our minor arpeggios. Now I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.